Hey friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. And we're going to talk about the Walgreens preview for the week of the 28th to the 3rd. Now, this showed up in my digital coupons folder. 2 of them showed up, but this is the first. They must think I am like Warren Buffett, rich, $50 basket, $10 back. But we'll make that happen. So it is from the 28th to the 3rd, that window specifically. And it stacks 1 paper, 1 digital. So if a booster comes out of the Catalina machine, you are in business. 1 paper and 1 digital. For the balance, use your debit, credit card, or bills. Don't use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, or it will mess everything up with a spend booster. Friday morning, this guy also popped up, which starts on September the 1st, right till the end, till Halloween Day. And it's $7 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25 on health and wellness. We will have to wait and see how that one plays out, but definitely load this guy as well right away. Now, I strongly encourage you guys to go through all of your register rewards because, gosh, the month of August, we've been getting a lot. Go through all the expiry dates, which are at the top. And if anything is expiring on a rather quick timeline, spend them soon. For example, this one for the P&G, August the 30th, and I had 3 of them in my wallet, so I don't want $15 to vanish, so use them right away. Look through them all. Now let's talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app before we hop into the deals. This is a terrific app, and I talk about it a lot in my matchups. Look, guys, 100% free for an ice cream cake. It doesn't get any easier than that. If you are on the East Coast and you have a BJ's Wholesale Club, when I used to live up in Messina, New York, or close to the border, I used to go to this place all the time and shop, and it was just absolutely glorious. They're giving $30 back on a subscription there. Really fantastic. Look for these in your discoveries page, bottom left-hand tab. Okay, so for those that, have never signed up for this app, check out the link in the notes, and when you use my referral code right there on the screen, you're given an extra $2 when you photograph any receipt. A pack of gum, a fast food receipt from last week, anything, they're given $2. And they have a catalog of products that give back extra points, along with the discoveries page that give even more points. It's a really terrific app. You're just photographing receipts, getting points. You might want to sign up today, especially for the new users. Okay, my friends, we are looking at a new month at Walgreens. We have a BOGO free on some vitamins and supplements, BOGO 50% off on some other ones. Along with for beauty, it's buy 2, get the 3rd for free, mix and match. So this is rather interesting. Deals of the week, BOGO free on the Doritos. It is Labor Day this weekend, so yeah, they're really trying to push chips and pop, 3 for $10.99, and BOGO 50% off for Scott. The first steal of the week is on the Pantene. They're $5 a pop, and we have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon, $5 reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of these for $15 on the nose, subtracting that digital, you're paying $12. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $7 for the 3 or $2.33 per. If you're using this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. We have some toothpaste for $4, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. And then we also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday. Grabbing 3 of these for $12, subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're paying $7. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 3. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. I like to get dental care products for free, so this is just a bit too rich for me. With the new month, maybe we're going to get some high value Crest coupons, so we'll have to wait and see. Okay, so we have 3 for $7.99 for the Purex. So it basically shakes us out to $2.66 each. If the scent beads are included, because they're usually like $7 for one, this might be a stock up price pour vous. All the parents out there, my goodness gracious, diapers have really spiked in price. This is for the bag of size 1 or 2 where there's I think 32 per pack. We have this on IBOTTA, which is 32 count or larger. So that's why we're going for the size 1 or size 2, where there's a ton of diapers in the bag. You'll have to use the IBOTTA app and scan, double, triple check that it's attaching. So grabbing 3 bags of Huggies for $31.50, subtracting that 4 off of 2, I would throw in $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $7.50 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, $6 back from IBOTTA. Photograph this receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Huggies is part of their catalog. You will get back extra points, maybe even a couple of dollars. It is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this with a store booster. Now, I know it's only size 1 or 2, so if you have a new one on the way or a baby shower gift, this would be an ideal purchase. But the other bags of size 3, 4, or 5 for kids or for toddlers, there's only like a smaller amount in those bags, so just be very mindful with this deal. Okay, so check this out. BOGO 50% off KLEENEX and Scott paper products. KLEENEX has not been part of this for probably most of the year, and it's back. If you might have one of these stupid $5 store coupons, let's throw it into the mix for this dealio. Okay, guys, buying 2 of the KLEENEXes for $7.50, subtracting a $5 store coupon, pay $2.50. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Yes, you will get back extra points for that purchase. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this without a booster, and KLEENEX hasn't been part of this for at least 6 months, so this is nice to see. The detergent for $12.99. Will we get a digital coupon to go with this? That is the question. $5 reward when you buy 2. Now, alternatively, if you might have this guy, why not use it before Tuesday? Use it or lose it. Along with his big sister, which is the store coupon for $5. Grabbing 2 Tides for $25.98, subtracting 2 $5 register rewards, $10. You're paying $15.98, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash as long as you're not using this in concert with a booster, but an opportunity to get some very cheap Tide. This one is rather interesting. $8 for the Dove body wash products and then a $2 reward when you buy 2. Now we have this, which is a 4 off of 2, valid till September the 3rd. Make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of the Dove body washes for $16, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital. You're paying $12, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per Glorious body wash. This is a bit rich for this lady right here, so I would double, triple check if IBOTTA might have some rebates, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not using a booster in concert with this dealio. Okay, now we have $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on Aquaphor, Basics, Eucerin, and Nivea skincare. So I'm guessing it's lotions and potions, but that's 50% right there. However, we can try and get this deal to work. We need some digital coupons or IBOTTA or Fetch rebates or something, but this is one to keep on the back burner this week. Okay, guys, so 4 for $9, this is back, the very cheap Tide Simply Bounce and Downy, so I would grab 4 of them. If you're a newer couponer, a way to build your stockpile really quickly. 4 Simplies for $9, use a $5 store coupon along with $4 in Walgreens cash and pay down the tax. You're using this without a booster. Yes, make it happen. Now for the next 3 deals, we're going to have to see the digital coupons that pop up. They possibly could be freebies or maybe even little money makers. For the Crest products, that is the first one to keep a watchful eye for digital coupons on Sunday morning. Along with $3.99, buy 2, get a $4 and $4 reward. Colgate's usually pretty generous. I would love to see some free dental care for them. And then Nexus, buy 20, get 10 back. We will have to see the digital coupon that we get. 50% return on investment. I really like this deal. Okay, some honorable mentions now. Pourvu. This is a really good one. $4.99 for the KLEENEX Viva Cottonelle products, blah, blah, blah. Or use a store register reward and make that happen. We have 99 cents for those teeny tiny Dawns. Still a great value. It's a condensed soap. Really great. And then lots of food. 2 for $5 for the Werther's Originals and 3 for $9 for those different candy corns, if that is your thing. Whole bunch of different flavors as well. It looks kind of interesting. And then food, 3 for $10.99. With Labor Day, they tend to drop their prices a little bit. So if you want to stock up, you have a very large family, you have like 5 teenage boys, you might want to use a bit of Walgreens cash and make some magic happen. Every time I go to Walmart, I want to scream because it's always like $89 for 2 items. If you're with me, you might want to use a bit of Walgreens cash store register rewards to get these non-perishable goods for your pantry, especially if you have a larger family. So not the worst prices, and lots of soda deals as well. Look at that, 2 for $7 for the Oreos. I remember back in the day when it used to be 2 for $4 on a sales week. And then if you're having a cookout and you need some spirits for the adults, a lot of mail-in rebates for these different beverages. You might want to check that out. You basically buy it, it prints out of the Catalina machine, and you send it to the manufacturer, and you get a prepaid credit card or a check for $5. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.